Miss Z will be here soon.
B! Guess what I just watched?
What?
I just watched the new live-action Stitch trailer.
What? I haven't seen it yet.
How do I put this nicely? Disney's watching. Let's say I think it's going to be the best live-action adaptation of a previous film that they have made to date.
You know, this gives me an idea.
I like where this idea is going. It's Stitch related.
All right, we're gonna channel something in here.
Channel our inner Stitch?
Yeah.
Listen, you could say this is it. Just a giant Stitch head statue. I'm fine. We could never open it. This is amazing. This I could put on a shelf.
So it's a jumbo mystery capsule. Oh, there's ooze. There's ooze in there.
Figurines, squishy toys, neon in neon letters, clip-ons, ooze, and stickers.
Mm-hmm.
But it's all with question marks. The only way to figure it out. Let's open it up. Welcome to the Starbucks. I'm Z.
I'm B.
See, it was me all along. I bet I had you fooled. And today we're bringing you the Disney's Stitch Jumbo Mystery Capsule. And it is, when you first described it, I was like, okay, and then you pulled a giant life-size head out of your bag. I was like, oh, you meant business with this.
So I think we're gonna probably lay him down here because it looks like the seam is hidden.
Whoa! I love it so much.
All right, pick one.
Oh god, it's squashed. Oh, I regret what I just did. I don't even know what's happening. What's coming out? Oh, I'm touching it.
It's a little neon Stitch.
Oh! It's like a stress ball with glitter. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, oh, you need to try that.
At least he's not sticky because sometimes he's like, well, kind of sticky.
Alright, now your turn.
Look at him.
They match. Oh, he's even got yellow on the back.
He's got yellow spots on the back here.
This one?
Yes.
Oh. Oh!
Yeah, there's your ooze.
This is our, what are those videos people just watch people play with slime?
Is it ASMR?
S-A-M-M-R.
ASMR?
Yeah.
They do that on ASMR?
Isn't it like this, it'll be some lady calm saying, look at its
You
elasticity.
whisper and...
It looks like the underside of a third grader's desk. Oh god, it touched my face. Let's just do a splat check.
Oh, it's a key ring.
Oh. Oh, it's Angel!
Aww.
Oh my god, that's cute. Cool.
And then we got the stickers. Sticky tongue out.
And it looks like he's going, hi.
And then he's playing a ukulele or a little guitar.
I can do that, I just don't want
And then the big wheel. And then being silly. Floating in a little raft here. And so you got 5 stickers and 5
Oh.
things. Yeah, these guys are cute. This is what I would be after.
Please make sure you go out. I mean, we're going to probably be there opening night to go see the Lilo and Stitch live action. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Maybe more random body parts of Disney characters.
Oh,
I don't think our channel would last long.
that sounds terrifying. But don't forget to like and subscribe.
That too! Quick, before Disney gets us.
Yeah.
No, listen, I will fight to defend Stitch's honor in any way, shape, or form. This is one of the best things Disney has ever made, and I will fight for him forever. Considering this movie came out, I've been holding on to Stitch for my
Oh, I don't want to talk about how long ago that movie came out.
20 years.
No, it's been a while.
We were not around to see it live when it opened up and we're old enough to go
We should
alone.
quit while we're ahead.
We're gonna quit while we're ahead. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
Bye.
See, it's not bad until it like bulges. And then it's like, oh, Stitch, you're fine. Oh, you need to see a doctor. Here we have Disney's Stitch Jumbo Mystery Surprise head. We've got stress squishies, we've got stickers, we've got slime, we've got keychains, and of course, a cute little Stitch and Angel. I can't wait for this movie. Bye!